Hi, and welcome to TMK's building site. Today is Thursday, 11th of April, and we have beautiful spring weather here with us. Currently they're drilling roughly 300 holes for the explosives to blow up the bedrock. After Easter we will start laying down the concrete for the foundations, and in early May the actual building frame itself will arrive and the assembly will begin. We still have our hands full, but so far everything is going as planned. Stay tuned as we will post regular updates from the site.